Welcome back to another episode of the Tales of a Funded Trader series. It's part 9. It's currently the 1st of November and we're on a Friday. It's been NFP today, so pretty turbulent day. And I gotta say, I'm a bit disappointed in myself because I kind of went against my own rules. Took a trade even though I told myself that I'm not gonna take a trade. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you everything and then get this day over with, start into the next week, election week, which is going to be interesting. But never been there before, never experienced an election week in trading before, so it's going to be interesting for me. But yeah, today I'm a bit disappointed in myself, but I guess I still got a long way to go, and I need to learn from this, I guess. But yeah, let's go to the charts. So here we are. This is the charts. We got NFP dropping right here on this candle here. Didn't do that much actually. I was expecting a bit more, but nonetheless, I was looking at the charts already here, and I was looking for price to come down back to this data low. This was just like a test trade. I didn't take this. This was just to see if price would respect my idea, even though it's NFP, and kind of to come up with an idea of what to expect for today. If price is actually gonna deliver the way I think it's gonna deliver, or if it's not going to deliver the way that I thought it would deliver. And price didn't even respect this fair value gap. We inverted it first and then came down, which is pretty telling of NFP. It just does some false moves and is a little more extra volatile, but then in the end it delivered. I of course didn't take this trade because I didn't want to take a trade today because of NFP obviously. But as you can see, in the end I did take a trade, even though I didn't want to, but that was in the PM session. We'll get to that a bit later. Yeah, this is the market open. Right after we took this data low, we pushed up higher, just like I was expecting, or not just like I was expecting. I was hoping for price to go higher. That was my bias kind of for the day, but didn't really matter because I wasn't going to take a trade today initially. We have the first presented fair value gap here pretty late, just 9:39, and I was thinking maybe if this comes back to this and we get a nice little entry, maybe I can take it with half a risk or whatever. But never came down, so I didn't take it. This one looked like a nice trade here, though, if any one of you guys took it. But I didn't want to take anything today because, well, it's NFP and I don't really have that much experience with it, to be honest. So I just decided to stay away from it, at least at first. I marked out this 5 minutes, and I was thinking, or I was wondering how price was going to react here. And we broke through it first, but then came back above it. As you can see, price on the 5 minute kind of respected it, but also kind of not. So yeah, that's just NFP, I guess. We broke through it initially, but didn't close below it. So difficult to say really what price is going to do next. And then of course we had lunch here, and then I came back for the PM session, and around here is where I joined the charts. And then I saw this little liquidity grab and a market structure shift, and I said to myself, damn, this looks way too good to not take it. And I took it. And then I checked every other time frame except the 1 minute, and it looked horrible. Right after I took it, I realized that this 5 minute never closed above this high, which I would have liked to see. Then if we look at the 4 hour, we can see that price was moving between two PD arrays, which is also not a good sign. And it's NFP, right? I told myself that I'm not going to take a trade, and I was at the charts anyways, and I ended up just taking a trade out of, I don't know, out of stupidness, out of rage, I don't know. And just like that, I lost $200, right? That's how it is. You do stupid mistakes, you get punished. And market did actually, it did hung around, but eventually it did get there, which is even more frustrating. But then again, I absolutely deserve this. I told myself that I'm not going to trade, and I went back on my word, and I got the receipt for it. That's just how it is in trading, and that's why I'm a bit disappointed in myself, honestly, because I was pretty happy with this week, but now that I took this trade, I'm like it left a bit of a sour note, honestly, on this week. But, well, I guess I just gotta live with it and then check out the next week, how that one's gonna go with election on Tuesday. Like I said, it's my very first election week in my career as a trader. I've been trading for about 8 months, I would say 8 to 10 months for real, or at least trading for 8 to 10 months since I was learning ICT. But yeah, it would definitely be interesting. And I think if I'll take a trade, I'll probably take it with half risk, honestly, because I don't know how market's going to react on election week because I don't have any experience with it. But yeah, you get the best experience by trying, right? Trial and error. But anyways, let me know how you guys' day went. If you also have been fooled by the market, like me, or by yourself even, and if you're hyped for the next week, just like I am, that would definitely be interesting. And yeah, wish you guys a nice weekend. Enjoy. And I'll see you guys in the next week. Ciao.